Hey guys, Carlos again from the HID Factory, and today I want to show you a new product. This is a sequential tail light third brake light. So as you can see, when you have your daytime running lights and headlights on, you're going to have this on. When you go to brake, it illuminates us more. And again, it does sequential left and right turn signals. So let me go ahead and show you that left turn signal. As it sequences out to do your left turn, when you're doing your right, sequence out to your right. Another cool thing this bar does is when you're ready to go into reverse, you go ahead and turn on the truck and get it in reverse for you. You get a beam of light going towards the whole vehicle, so it's not your two reverse lights, it's actually a beam of light that gets spread on the ground. So right now we have a special going on for these. There's $249 installed. If you want to come over to our shop in Houston, for whatever reason you can't make it to Houston, we also sell them online at thehidfactory.com. And we have tutorial videos on how to get it on, how to get it off. Again guys, as you've seen all our videos, we're on YouTube as the HID Factory. Go check us out, check out our videos, subscribe. If you have any ideas, if you have any questions about your projects, go ahead and let us know. Contact us online, or if you want to just give us a call here at the shop, we're here all day. Thank you guys again.